YouTube gonna show you how to make a full auto reload TNT dropper, something like this. Just gonna show it to you before I show you how to make it. That pushes it down to the redstone torch, and this pushes it there like this. See, it drops it. 11 TNTs, and I'm gonna show you how to make it. So all we need is this. It's everything in the. Alright, where did that just so careful. Everything you need is in my inventory. I've got sticky pistons and redstone torch, gravel or sand. I've got some stone, TNT, redstone repeater, and piston. I forgot the redstone dust. First, make this about 20 blocks high or higher. Just not more than 30. Just make a 3x3 like that and put a hole in the center. And then beneath it, put a stone like that and put some redstone torch. Then add a block like that. 2 more blocks. Remove this another and add some sticky pistons on it. Like that. Okay, like that. And then put 3 blocks here. And add 2 more here on the other side. Like that. Oh, I don't want to do this at night. There. This is where we put the redstone, so it circulates like that. Then put that last tick, and again like this. Switch all of them to last tick, like that. Oh, trash calls. Sorry. Oh, you shut up. Just do it like that. Then to light it up, you should. Oh, sorry. Put the redstone torch and remove it immediately, so like this. So just it pushes down, and I'll add 10 more stone here. Now this is where we put our TNTs until here. Then this is where we put the piston, a regular piston. And add some same like that here. That's too much. Then put repeaters at last tick, all of them. I'll add some redstones to connect them together. Like that. And fill it up this with TNT All of these TNTs are 11. Now add gravel or sand at the first sand. At the first TNT. 10. There you have it. Now light up the first piston, the sticky piston. Then light up the regular piston and wait for it. Like that. See? It loads automatically. They're cool. Boom. Bam, bam, bam. Thanks for watching.